Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video review from Technary.com. So in lockdown, there may be a lot of people who have not focused much on fitness, and now is the right time to make sure that you have your fitness tracked properly. So you need a smart band as soon as possible to make sure that you track your fitness activities and make sure you're fit. So today we have Goqii Smart Vital. So this is the device and we will soon do the unboxing of it. Goqii Smart Vital is having a lot of features, and the most important feature which we like, that it is having oxygen level checking, heart rate monitoring also is there, and there are also exercise modes, so you can track a lot of exercises. And there is a very nice Goqii platform, so we can share a lot of data in it, and there are personal coaching as well. So I can't wait to test this out. So let's check out this Goqii Smart Vital device. This is the package, very neatly packed product. So we'll talk about the features of it. So it is having SPO2 notifications and all these features as mentioned on the package. So it is having 24 by 7 heart monitoring, exercise modes, steps. So can't wait to unbox it for sure. So there are a lot of features mentioned on the package as shown. So display, track all the activities, smart notification. Also, there are a lot of accessories which we'll talk about. So there are other features as well. So let's open it and check out the device. So very neatly packed product. So this is the core, I guess, and we will have to attach the belts or the straps. So let's check them out. So let's check out what is inside this box. Oh, so it is having three belts or three straps. So these are of purple or violet, red, and black colors. So you can attach any of these belts or straps as per the need. So this is the user guide. You can read it and you can check out how you can use this smartwatch. Also, you can read the review in detail on a website to do that. So it is having a lot of features and how you can measure the SPO2, and a lot of features are mentioned on this. So this is a 3 months activation code for the personal coaching. So you can enjoy 3 months of free personal coaching. So this is the USB. So this is the magnetic charger from where you can charge your Goqii Smart Vital. So this is the core. It is having a sticker. We'll soon remove it. So as we can see, it easily magnetically attaches on the charger. So in a very simple manner it attaches. So we will put on the belt strap. So we'll put on the black color belt or the strap. So we will peel off the sticker and we can see a very nice smartwatch, a very elegant look. So in this way we have attached it and it is started charging. So in the first use you need to charge it. So once it's at least 60% charged and you can use it. So I have just walked for a while. I have just walked 1 kilometer and I have tracked that activity. So it's very simple to use. So there are a lot of details mentioned, the distance, duration, heart rate. So you can track the activities. We will show you the user interface in depth. So we'll talk step by step the user interface or the features of this smartwatch. So when you swipe on the left, you can check out the vital, the exercise menu. There is more option as well. Inside more, you can see the settings, stopwatch, music control, alarm. Also, you can see the find phone timer and weather features. So to come out, there's a home button as well. So it's very easy to navigate. So inside the vital, you can check out the heart rate. So it's measuring the heart rate real time. So there's 24-hour heart rate tracking, which is really amazing. So you can check out your heart rate and you can also get a lot of log reports in the application as well. So it's in a very easy way. So this is the SPO2. So you can check the blood oxygen levels with ease. So as mentioned by the brand, and it is ISO certified as well, that it's 97% accurate, so you can certainly rely on these ratings. So that is my blood oxygen level, and that is the BPM as well, which is 85. So we'll check the blood pressure. So you can check blood pressure, and you can see assist DIA and HR as well. So you can note down the blood pressure, especially for diabetic patients. It's really important, and you can rely on these readings. So it's very easy to navigate. So there are a lot of exercise modes in this smartwatch. So run, workout, cycle, walking, relaxation, cricket, yoga, climbing, aerobics, basketball, badminton, soccer, dance, table tennis, rope jump, sit ups, volleyball, and tennis. So these are all these sports modes, or you can say exercise modes. So you can do a lot of activities and you can track them with this Goqii Smart Vital. It is very easy to track, and we have done a lot of exercises. So during workout also, I do make sure that I track my workout sessions to make sure how much calories I have burnt. So you can easily access the features like find my phone as well. So you can change the customize or change the theme of the clock. So in the settings, you can change the wallpaper, you can customize it, and also you can change the screen time and a lot of features. So this is the about information of this smartwatch. So you can check out the model number and device information. So these are the customized faces of the smartwatch. You can change them according to the need or use. So it will give a certain a very good stylish look if you change, though I like the default one, which is really good, and you can easily navigate through them. So you can change as per the need. This is the classic one. So people who like the analog mode, you can check out this one. So you can also check out the kilometers, steps, and heart rate when you swipe up. So in the more feature, you can change the wallpapers as mentioned. There's also settings. Alarm is also there. You can change the screen timer as per the need. There's power off button, there's a reset button as well, and you can easily navigate. So very easy to use, and I like the application as well. You can control the music from your smartwatch itself. Once you connect your smartphone to Bluetooth, you can set an alarm as per the need. You can set a timer, so during workout, so while running or doing plank exercise, you can certainly set a timer. You can check out the weather info, so you can connect it to your smartphone and pull out the weather info. And also there are a lot of notifications with our social media and other important notifications like the SMS and calls. From here you can easily change from 12 hour to 24 hours. You can change the brightness as well. So this is a quick access menu. You can change the brightness of the display. I like it to keep it at a zero only, so, or like very minimum, because it gives an elegant look. There's a do not disturb sign as well. Roll wrist to wake on feature. You can also control music, and also the find my phone feature. Find my phone feature is really cool. So once you tap on it, your smartphone will start ringing. So this is a must buy smartwatch and a value for money. The best part is that it is having a loads of features, and vital is really very much accurate as well. So we have used this Goqii Smart Vital since past few days, and you can see that it's been with me for a lot of time, and we have done a lot of testing. So we have shared our observation. Now I will sum it up. So this smart band is having a lot of features, but the one thing which I liked is its accuracy. So in a lot of smart bands, the problem with it is the accuracy. So even if you're riding bike, or even if you're doing a lot of activities, and still the step counters are counting, so that problem is solved with the smart band. So it is having very good accuracy, and also in terms of oxygen levels, it is having 97% accuracy. So that's really amazing. So as per the brand, it is having 97% accuracy. So if you want to check your heart rate, also in your oxygen levels. So in this COVID situation, in this pandemic, it's really important to check your oxygen levels from time to time, and this is a great way to do that, and also in a very fruitful manner. So you can also make sure that you check all your fitness routines, you do a lot of workout, and you can analyze it in the application as well. So the Goqii ecosystem is really amazing. There are a lot of personal coaching. So when you buy the smart band, you get 3 months of free personal coaching, and it's really important because the personal coach is virtually helping you to push more, to do better in fitness. And another part which I liked is the battery life. So it is having a very good battery life. So you once charged completely, you can use at least 6 to 7 days, which is really good. Also, one thing which I would like to enhance or focus on is the ease of charging. So I have shown you how easy it is to charge this device. There's nothing to pull and all that stuff. So the belt is very much of good quality and it will stay forever. So there are also two more colorful belts. So if you like red or purple color, so there are two belts given with the smartwatch, which is really amazing. So if you want to purchase it, you can check out the link in the description below. There is very nice pricing as well. So it is available at an MRP of rupees 5,999. Though you will get amazing discount if you check out the link in the description below. It's really important these days to make sure that you have good fitness regime, and this smart band tracker will certainly help you out. Many people, including me, are skeptical about going to gym nowadays due to COVID. So this fitness tracker will certainly help you out to track all the things, and it will certainly help you out. So if you have any kind of suggestions or comments or experience you want to share with this smart band, make sure you put in the comments below. Also, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and also do subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more such amazing reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.